Hey everyone. Usually I do my State of the Union, but today I'm going to do something a little different because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So I have a nice piece of purple heart here, and we're going to make a necklace for my wife. Well, I'm going to make a necklace for my wife. You guys aren't going to do anything. But I'm going to make some cuts on here, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. I've got all the material I need. So let's get started. I'll meet you at the saw. Be right back. Alright, I'm going to take care of the easy part. Let's kind of do a little cutting here. It has to be two on the dot here. Just kind of get around it. There we go. Now, we get our tape. We'll make a few little tapey tapes. I'm going to have to glue them together here. Yeah, that'll work perfect. Okay, yeah. Excellent. Little Bill and Ted there for you guys. I'm kind of doing these things a little off to the side here. I had issues when I came out to the garage today. I didn't know I had issues. It's kind of throwing me for a little bit of a loop here. But when trying to get everything set up, I found out none of my outlets are working. Only the lights. So I gotta figure out what the heck is going on, because I don't know. There's no reason for it not to work, in my opinion. Alright, grab a little bit of the glue, which I'm gonna have to get new glue because this is a mess and a half. Alright, that might help a little bit. Can we give a little glue to this thing, a little shot here? There we go. I'm going to toss that on. I'll let that sit for a minute or two. Now the cool thing about this is the way I'm going to be doing this. Oof. Wow, that was too much glue. Wow. I'm actually going to drill in a couple different ways here to provide a better solution for what I'm trying to do. Because one of the things I really want to do is be able to hang this on a necklace so that she can wear it. So, but to do that, I need to drill in this way and not this way. So that's just going to make it a little interesting, at least in my opinion. I'm trying to get some of this extra glue off that I used. I learned to not use so much glue. That was my bad. Also, I want to drill into this part right here. Boy, there we go. Probably drill into this part right here to make this one hollow. I'm going to see how it looks. Well, actually, I'm going to have to do that before. Ooh, boy, this is where we get in the rough part. I think I need to do this before I do the other part. If I drill through that, just going to make it very delicate. But delicate's nice for jewelry, I think. I can make it a little bit less delicate in my cut. I just add a little bit onto the lines. You know, yeah. Let's come over here and let's do some drilling. Let's see if I can move you over here with just my paws. Well, no, this ain't working very well. Hang on, everybody. There we go. There we go. There we go. You can see the drill press. So the light here. The light's not going to work. Oh, my drill's not going to work. Man, okay, never mind. I'm not doing that. Man, I got to figure out what's going on with my electrical here. Well, but I do know I got my saw working, which is the important part. And if I have to, I can drill with a cordless drill. That's no problem. Let's get you angleized to see what I'm doing. Whoa! Don't want to drop you though. That would be pretty rude to drop all my friends here on the floor. I'm sure you guys wouldn't like it. Let me make sure that I have. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Alright, let's see. Is this stuck on here pretty good? Yep, it's stuck in there. Well, getting there. It's like cool, a little dry a little bit more. But I think we're okay. Let's start getting some cutting going here. This is with the blade I don't really like. I need to get a new blade. Let's see what we can do here. I need my magnifying glasses. I'll be right back. I think someone's messing with us because I can't find my lenses. So I'm going to try using the lens that came with this thing here. See if I can use that to get closer. Well, what's the worst that can happen, right guys? Whew. Boy, oh boy, this is not working out easy. If this thing here had some type of tightener, maybe we can get somewhere with it. It just is loose as all heck. Alright, let's try going back in here. Going back here. Alright, I don't even know if I can fix this through sanding. This did not turn out well, guys. No. This blade is awful. It is a terrible blade. I gotta look and see if I have something different. Maybe I can try again. But this was bad. This is really bad. Alright, give me a little bit here, guys. I'm gonna look for a new blade. Jeez. This blade wouldn't cut a straight line if you begged it to. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, we found a different blade, and we're gonna try freehanding a design and see how this goes. I kind of put somewhat like how I want it to look on here, and we're going to run it through the saw and see what we can do. I'm not expecting a miracle here now, guys. I'm just expecting to get something done. Either that or I'm going to have to go out shopping, because you got to buy your wife something for Valentine's Day according to Hallmark. Here we go. Contact. That is very loose. There we go. Try it now. We're okay, we're okay. Much closer to what we're looking for, though. I'll tell you that much. A little bit of sanding, we can get there. Well, we gotta cut this down a little bit, though. This is not where we want it to be. No. It is not cooperating. Ugh. Woo. Let's get a little tighter, maybe. There we go. Man, if this would cooperate, this would be so much nicer and easier to work with. Let's try this. Much closer. Much closer. Much more better. All right, now we're gonna get some sanding done. So I'll meet you over by the sanding stuff. All right, got a little sandpaper here. I'm gonna do a little sanding, especially at this part right here. This part came out pointy when it is not supposed to be pointy. I don't know the best way to go about this because it's in such a difficult spot to get to. But we'll get there. Just hang out with me a little bit. Some other spots too while we're at it. Looking better. Yeah, some heavy duty grit here. Hoping to get through this pretty quickly. The nice thing about some of these things, especially some stuff you make for other people, it doesn't have to be perfect. Matter of fact, the less perfect it is, the more it looks like, you know, something you made for them, not something you bought for them. Buying things is all well and good. Sure, go ahead, buy something, but there's something nice about being able to make something for somebody. And I really like being able to make things for people, especially my wife. To me, that tells her, you know, I put effort into this. Not thought and effort, but, you know, I'm capable of doing something for you that only you will have. That's the best part about it. It is specific to her. I need a different grit. I just don't feel like I'm getting good enough grittiness. All my good stuff is in the basement, darn it. If you saw the last video, you saw us using it for my son's stuff. So I'm at a little bit of a disadvantage here. You know something? Let's move over. Oh, I can't because I don't have an outlet. Ah! Frustration has set in. But until then, let me get out this here and find a nice length. Oh yeah, there we go. This will work nicely. Little knifey knife. This is going to act as the necklace. For some reason my wife likes really long necklaces. But what we're going to do is drill a hole through there. Through there. And you know something? I wonder, what do you guys think? I'll be right back. Just hang out for a second. If I were to do something along the possibility of taking this black marker on the nice one and finishing where it should go, so you know, you can kind of see how it's intertwined. What do you think? I don't know yet. I'm kind of thinking yes. I really am. First, let's get the sanding done. Let's do that first. Let's. Matter of fact, I might have what I'm looking for, so I can make it easier on myself. Nice little rasp. Or something else. I got another idea. Ideas are coming left and right now, guys. Yes, they are. Let's grab one of these and one of these. Let's see, I need something over here. Where is it? Where is it? Let's see. This here. This is cheating. It is. I know it. But if it works, I don't care. Am I actually doing anything? Or are you gonna do it this way? What this is a drum sander. They hook up to a cordless drill. And that makes things nice and easy for doing things on location and such when you need to. I think this may be something that's going to work out well for right here and right now. Because I need to finish this soon because the wife comes home relatively soon. Not really soon, but soon enough. I want to finish this. Alright, let's see now. Let's see if this gets things done easier. Oh, that's a little easier. Yeah. This thing's gonna be my friend today. What makes this easier though, that's how I had it originally set up. On my drill press. Oh, that's so much easier. Oh, thank God. Alright, I gotta put this down and do this part. That's looking more like what it's supposed to look like. So now we'll find a drill bit for my bit piece. Oh, where's my drill bit? Where'd it go? I know it's over here someplace. Just hang out for a minute, guys. I feel bad when I'm not on camera, so I try to keep talking loudly so everyone can hear me. Alright. Let's see if we can go through this without breaking it. Because if we break it now, I am going to be, how you say, very sad. Very close. Close enough. Close enough for this kind of work. Okay, there we go. Now I do have beads and stuff I could put on here, but I don't know if they match well enough to put on here, and you guys can't tell me yet because you're not here. So it's kind of one of those difficult things. If I do it and it's no good, I mean, I could always take it apart. That's not that big of a deal. I also think, I really do. So I'm going to. If she doesn't like it, I can always sand this part off. Alright guys, so let me bring you up to look at me. I know, sorry, you gotta look at my face. But see, so what we did was we made a simple necklace for Valentine's Day. I could probably expand upon this more. I mean, there's other options I have. Like I said, there's beads I could put on here to kind of expand upon it and stuff, but I've also got other ideas of things I could do. But it's I've always wanted to do jewelry because I like jewelry, and I got a large collection of beading equipment, so I could do lots of jewelry. But this is something I want to do, so this is a simple one. Only took about 10-15 minutes to do total, so you should be able to do it easily. So there you go, guys. Until next week, I'll have another project next week. We should be able to finish the clock, part 2. We'll see what my son says. Alright, so see you guys later. Bye.